Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel, which is Asmi Tales. So in today's video we're going to be making another recipe since you guys really loved my first recipe, which was making homemade pizza, and the link of that video will be in the description down below. So in today's video we're going to be making something similar to that, which is called caprese. So let's see the ingredients. Sorry, but my kitchen is a little bit messy. Come on! Okay, so the first thing you're gonna be needing is a cheese bun, and this is the thing that you cannot replace, or you can do any type of bun that you might get. I like this one. So the first thing we're going to be needing is mozzarella cheese. So this is actually fresh mozzarella. It's not the one that you get in packets and all dried up. This is actually made fresh and really yummy and not salty. So the next two ingredients are, I guess important. And those two ingredients are cucumber and cherry tomatoes. And you can actually use any type of tomatoes, but I like cherry tomatoes because they're super tiny. And this part is actually optional because I love olives beside my sandwich because alone they don't taste good. So I would prefer to have one bite of your sandwich and one bite of an olive, or just an olive. So you can also use lettuce and spinach leaves, but I don't have them right now, so I replaced them with tomato and cucumbers. Let's start! First step, chopping the veggies. Chop, chop, chop! I'm gonna start with cutting the cucumber. It all depends on how many sandwiches you're making. I'm making one, so I'm gonna cut half and a little bit more. So I'm done cutting the cucumbers. And now we're gonna move on to the teeny tiny cherry tomatoes. Be careful with the cherry tomatoes because they're super tiny. And just ask for help if there's any adult there. And always be under adult supervision. My mom is there to help me, so do not worry. We're done with the cherry tomatoes. So the next ingredient we're going to be needing is mozzarella cheese. Okay, so the water is super cold because it was right now in the refrigerator, so I'm going to use a fork to get it out because my hands would be freezing otherwise. So the cheese, you have to cut it in super small, or I would say thin slices. The cherry tomatoes, you could just cut them in half or just break them with your hands, but this, it has to be super thin. And as you can see, my mom's doing it because I can't do it. So first, you should probably just cut it in half and then just start cutting it from the sides, just like this. Now you guys must be wondering, what should we do with the other half of the mozzarella cheese? So what I did was I took the old water, threw it away, and put some more new cold water, remember. Putting it back in, I'm gonna put the lid back on and put it in my refrigerator. Now you wanna remember I told you that you need a cheese bun, so I'm gonna take it back, and I'm gonna be applying this spread I made. It's really simple. You just need milk and some mayonnaise, and you can add more things like oregano, herbs, and chili flakes, whatever you really want, but I really like it plain and simple because I Just like it that way. You can add whatever you really want, as I said, oregano, chili flakes, and so on. And then you're just gonna be applying it back onto your cheese bun. So here, I actually made a little mistake. I put it on the wrong bun. I put it on the bottom bun, I think. So you're supposed to put it on the top bun, so I put a little bit on the top one and a little bit on the bottom one. So that's how I fixed my mistake. And now I'm just applying it. By the way, I'm doing a voiceover, that's why I'm saying it after, so yeah. Guys, if you can see, I'm actually trying to decorate it here since I'm actually filming a video, or else I would just put it just like that, and I don't even care how it looks like. But today I did, since it was pretty much a video and I wanted everything to look pretty neat. And so the first thing I added, as you saw, I was putting in tomatoes. And the funny thing that happened when I was putting the cherry tomatoes, they were constantly falling down. I thought to put cherry tomatoes, it would have been better and would have helped me, but it didn't help me. They were sliding down again and again, and it was super annoying. So I just took down some of them. I put 2 of my cherry tomatoes and replaced them. Can you guess what did I replace them with? I'll tell you in a second. Yes, you guessed it right, normal tomatoes. Since they're pretty big, I didn't need that many, but I still kept a few of the cherry tomatoes because honestly, I've never tried any of the market cherry tomatoes, and if I did, I don't remember the taste. Next, as you might have guessed again, I'm gonna be putting the mozzarella cheese. Oh, I'm mouth-watering right now. Oh. Yeah, don't put too many or you're gonna get a cheese coma. Yeah, that's a thing. I know. And then just top it up with your other bun. And this is how it looks.